Welcome to Haven and Green, where timeless design meets innovation, sustainability, and inspired living. Today, we invite you to explore a world where creativity transforms everyday spaces into extraordinary experiences. Every detail tells a story, every texture creates emotion, and every carefully crafted surface reflects a perfect balance between beauty, comfort, and purpose. Modern design is no longer just about appearance. It is about creating environments that feel authentic, welcoming, and deeply connected to nature. Around the world, architects and designers are embracing thoughtful materials, refined craftsmanship, and intelligent solutions that celebrate both elegance and responsibility. The result is a new generation of spaces that offer luxury without compromising sustainability. Natural textures, flowing forms, and organic shapes are redefining the way we experience interiors. Rather than relying on excessive decoration, contemporary design allows materials, light, and proportion to become the true focal points. Soft transitions, calming color palettes, and harmonious compositions create an atmosphere that encourages relaxation while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. Innovation continues to reshape the future of architecture and interior design. Advanced technology now works hand in hand with traditional craftsmanship, opening exciting possibilities for creating unique environments that were once impossible to achieve. This blend of modern engineering and timeless inspiration produces spaces that are both visually stunning and highly functional. Sustainability has become one of the defining principles of exceptional design. Every thoughtful decision, from material selection to energy efficiency, contributes to healthier living while reducing environmental impact. Beautiful spaces can also be responsible spaces, proving that luxury and environmental awareness can exist together in perfect harmony. Lighting plays an equally important role in shaping the mood of any environment. As natural light changes throughout the day, it brings depth, warmth, and character to every surface. Carefully integrated lighting enhances textures, creates inviting atmospheres, and highlights the architectural details that make each space feel distinctive and memorable. Minimalism continues to evolve into something warmer and more inviting. Instead of empty spaces, today's interiors focus on meaningful simplicity, where every element serves a purpose while contributing to an overall sense of balance. The result is an environment that feels peaceful, refined, and effortlessly elegant. Great design is never limited by trends alone. It reflects personal expression, thoughtful planning, and a deep appreciation for quality. Whether inspired by nature, innovation, or cultural traditions, remarkable spaces have the ability to improve everyday life, while creating lasting impressions for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. We hope these ideas encourage you to imagine new possibilities for your own spaces and discover how thoughtful design can transform the way we live, work, and relax. If you enjoyed today's inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Haven and Green, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest explorations into luxury architecture, sustainable living, modern interiors, and timeless design ideas. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to sharing many more inspiring creations with you. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep building a lifestyle that reflects beauty, comfort, and harmony.